Hey there guys, it's your good old friend Eric from the Action Toys channel, and today we have a really cool thing to do. We have a vintage He-Man Masters of the Universe Kobra with no head. But wait, we have a head. But wait, it doesn't go on so well. So you may have watched my previous video where I was just making them displayable, in which case I just took a doweling, pushed it in, okay, wrapped some tape, pushed it in, good. The doweling fit inside the hole, which was amazing. So now we're going to expand on that. I've been doing some experimenting, and I found a way to restore not only Kobra Khan, but Dragon Blaster Skeletor's armor that squirts out water. Now, I'm looking for the stuff I was going to use. Oh, there it is. Now, maybe asking, but Eric, how is it possible? Well, I was really bored and I was going through a bunch of things that sprayed stuff. And, there we go. And I was just checking things and I ended up doing this. I was like, oh, peroxide, cool. And then I was like, oh, will it fit? Let's have a check. I was like, oh, you have to. I was like, dang, okay. But I looked at it and this does fit. Okay, why? How do I know? Because I took this out, the metal insert, put it on, and it just fits over it. So it creates a seal. So now I was like, all right. I heated this up and I took the head out. I took the head out, and as it was heated up, I put the cap back on this. Okay, and I just pushed it on over. And then I had a Kobra Khan thing that literally sprayed peroxide, which was hilarious. No, what the heck's going on my camera? 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, so since I've already gone through all the trouble of figuring this all out, I put the original head back in, or the original cap, since it works. It's interchangeable with this one. Originally, I wasn't going to put it back in because you don't need the metal in there. You can literally switch the heads out and pop this in, and it works perfectly with that. So what we're going to do is we're going to bust this down. We're going to bust this down. We're going to empty it all out, and then we are going to start fiddling with this piece, okay? So, okay. Wow, what's going on with my light here? Alright. But yeah, we're gonna, well, I've already went through, I got multiple of these for other reasons. Okay. And I have that piece sitting right here. Now, this is gonna be a long, tedious task of me just sitting here with a pair of nippers, cutting all the way around here, and eventually cutting out this piece right here. This is pretty much solid as it is. It'll go in nicely. Alright, and we will switch out to that and time lapse. Oh, don't mind the cough, guys. I am getting over a cold. But yeah, okay, what else? Okay, so we're gonna test this out. The one thing that I am prepared for. Okay. Now. Okay. I wonder if I just take this out. Oh no! Did I spill that all over? No, there wasn't very much in it in the first place. Spilling more on the stuff. See how that worked out. And can you see that? Oh, condensation. 1 second, guys. I'll put him here. I'm gonna go get a piece of paper. All right, and let's clean this up. All right, we are back. All right, guys, so to test this out, we got us some good old paper. Now we're gonna take him, empty the stuff out of his mouth, and then just can you hear that? Can you see the water spray? Good. All right, guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. Hope you liked it. You do notice that he does have a green thing there. Paint it. Nail polish, paint, lacquer, anything you want to do, just paint it. So until then, see you next time. Oh, turn his head. Oh. Gosh darn it. I knew I should have fixed that. Fixed more of them. All right.